Hello friends, my name is Kapil and welcome back to another video. So in this video we are going to see if you have a printer that is HP wireless printer or any other printer, and if you want to do a setup of your printer with a mobile, because generally all the printer you need to configure with a laptop and you need a driver to install in your system or a PC, and then you to follow certain steps to do that. Okay, however you can do these steps using a mobile also, and it is very useful to do that with a mobile. Okay, so how you can do that, let's see that. Okay, so I will just first brief you about the procedure, and then in next step I will tell you or share you the screen how you can do that. Okay, so first step is let's consider the wireless printer of HP, that is a 419 or any of the related series printer. In that case it has a Wi-Fi direct and it has a Wi-Fi support as well. So to do the first step, actually what exactly you need to do is you need to enable the Wi-Fi direct, okay, on your printer. Okay, so basically you need to establish a connection from your Wi-Fi router to printer. Okay, so to establish this connection, first you will turn on this Wi-Fi direct, and you can go to your printer and connect to that network. So ultimately your printer will be connected to your phone, but that it's not enough, right? So basically your printer should be connected to the Wi-Fi router which you have. So to do that, now once you go to Wi-Fi and once you are connected with your printer, you need to go to the IP address of a printer. So I will tell you the what is the IP address of the printer, and it is universal. It will be same across the different printer. So you need to go to that IP address, and once you will go to that IP address, you are able to access the printer setting, and there you will get a Wi-Fi setting. Okay, so once you go to the Wi-Fi wizard, and there you can search for the different Wi-Fi availability, and you can select the Wi-Fi router or Wi-Fi connection which you want to connect. So let's say I am using the one of the connection which I have, which is of Geo broadband, or that could be other broadband as well, which is a wireless connection of a Airtel or any other things. Okay, in that case you can go to that Wi-Fi network and click on the connect, and it will ask you the password. Basically you can connect to the network, and once you do that it will establish a connection to your printer with that Wi-Fi router. Now that's all actually, because now you are done, you have established a connection from your printer to a Wi-Fi router. Okay, so now you can disable the Wi-Fi direct connection, and basically your printer is already connected to a Wi-Fi network, and then now you are ready to print take a print from your mobile without establishing without that you can be on the same network as you, as I said, you can be your printer and your mobile can be on the same network, Wi-Fi network, and you can get a print. Okay, so that's the steps you need to follow. Okay, now I will tell you what exactly you need to do. So you can see over here, this is my Wi-Fi HP printer, which has a model number of 419, and depending on your model, this icon or this button will vary. Okay, so here you can see this is Wi-Fi button, and this is Wi-Fi direct. So if you want to establish a connection directly with your printer, then you need to enable this. So once you enable this and go to your mobile, um, and search for a Wi-Fi network, you will get a Wi-Fi connection, which is a Wi-Fi direct of this printer, and you need to connect to that network. So let's see that how you can do that. So I went to setting now, and I will go to the Wi-Fi connection. So basically I'm connected to my home network, and I want to switch to the other one. So you can see over here that is direct AFI HP Inktank wireless. Okay, so I need to click on that, and I need to connect to that network. Okay, so once I am connected to that network, I will tell you that IP address on which you need to go. Okay, and let's go to that IP address. Okay, so now it is connected, and you need to go to the IP address now. So you can go to the browser, and this is the IP address. You can see over 192.168.223.1. And once you go to that IP address, you can see that this screen is visible now, HP Inktank wireless port and series, and there you can go into network. Once you go into the network, you can see the wireless, Wi-Fi direct, and other all options. So I will go to the wireless connection, and let's say in that you will go to the wireless setup wizard. It will tell you that you are redirecting to a secure page. Okay, and you need to click on this. I will tell you, if you are trying this on iPhone, then probably it will not work, because iPhone will not allow you to go to this network. Okay, but Android will allow you to go to this network. That's why you can see this, and you will find this welcome to wireless setup wizard, and you will click on the next. So this is the very useful case. Let's say if you are switching from a one broadband provider to the other broadband provider, then also in that case also you need to do this step, because I recently switched from Airtel to Jio, and that's why I need to do these steps again. And my printer was no more in the same network, it was not working, and I need to do this. So here you can see that I am currently with my home network already, but if you feel that you need to switch to the other network, so you will not see this connection basically, and you need to click on that, give the password, and establish a connection. And once this connection is successful, okay, so here you will get all the options whichever the network you have nearby, and you need to connect to that network. So once you are connected to that network, your printer will be connected, and you can also do the connection to the same network through on your mobile, and then you will be able to take a print. Okay, so I think that's all for this video. If you have any question, you can ask to me. I will try to answer you. I will try to help you in all direction. And I think this is very useful steps, because you need not have a laptop. Basically, even I face this problem because I don't have a laptop, and still I want to do the change in my printer setting. So this is the way you can do it, and I hope this is useful to you as well. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, you can press a like button, you can subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching again. Bye.